Daffodils by William Wordsworth. Here is a line-by-line explanation of the poem Lonely as a Cloud. Over here, the poet begins by describing himself walking alone as if he's a cloud drifting by in the sky. This expresses a sense of solitude and peace that floats on high over vales and hills. The poet imagines himself as a cloud, floating above the valleys and hills, observing the world from above. When all at once I saw a crowd. This line means that suddenly the poet sees something exciting, a large group or a crowd of daffodils. The poet has compared the daffodils to the bright golden color because they were shining in the sunlight, and the flowers are described as being abundant and dazzling just like gold. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, the daffodils are growing by the edge of a lake and under the shade of trees, emphasizing their peaceful and natural surroundings. Fluttering and dancing in the breeze, the daffodils seem to be moving with the wind, almost as if they are dancing or fluttering in joy. Continuous as the stars that shine. Here, the poet compares the daffodils to stars, saying they seem endless and they shine so brightly and are scattered over the landscape and twinkle on the Milky Way. Just like the stars that twinkle in the Milky Way, the daffodils sparkle with their golden color in the sunlight, creating a similar visual effect. They stretched in never-ending line. The daffodils appear to go on forever, creating a beautiful, unbroken line stretching into the distance. Along the margin of a bay, the daffodils are growing along the edge of a bay, which might refer to a section of the lake or a sheltered area of land near the water. 10,000 saw I at a glance. The poet feels as though there are thousands of daffodils all around him and he can see them all at once in a quick look. Tossing their heads in a sprightly dance, the daffodils seem to be moving energetically as if they are happily dancing, their heads swaying with the breeze. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. The poet compares the movement of the daffodils to the waves on the lake, which also seem to be dancing in the wind. Here, the poet says that the daffodils were even more joyful than the waves, suggesting that their energy and liveliness surpassed that of the water. The poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. The poet feels so uplifted and happy that it would be impossible for anyone, especially the poet, to feel sad in such a beautiful scene. He describes the daffodils as being in a happy, cheerful group, which brings joy to anyone who sees them. Here, the word jocund means joyful. Tristan gazed but little thought. The poet continues to look at the daffodils for a long time, but at that moment he doesn't realize the full impact they will have on him. What wealth the show to me had brought. Later, the poet realizes that the daffodils have given him the wealth of joy, comfort, and inspiration, even though he did not recognize it at the first glance. Oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood. The poet says that when he's lying on his couch, perhaps relaxing or feeling a bit down, He might be feeling aimless or thoughtful, lost in his own thoughts. They flash upon that inward eye. Through this, the poet has the memory of the daffodils which come to his mind as if they appear in his inward eye, that is his mind's eye or his memory. Is the bliss of solitude. The memory of the daffodils brings the poet so much happiness, and he finds joy in being alone, in solitude, because he can reflect on these beautiful moments and the lovely memories of the daffodils that he has in his mind. Then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Here, the poet has been thinking of the daffodils, and it fills his heart with happiness and joy. And finally, he feels as if his heart is dancing, just like the daffodils did. And he feels, hope you found this video useful, and now you're very clear on the poem and the interpretation and meaning of the poem Daffodils by William Wordsworth. To know more, please subscribe to my channel and watch out for more videos like these. Thank you.